All right, you guys, so we're back. We're talking about organizing your comparison contrast essay now. So when it comes to organization for your comparison contrast essay, you really want to focus on keeping similar things together. The way that it works is that each body paragraph is going to focus on one particular point in terms of what the essay is discussing, one particular point and topic combination. You don't want overlap. You know, you can throw in an occasional unlike blah, blah, blah in the topic sentence to help you transition, but that's really all that you want to do in terms of bringing your other topic into this new paragraph. Each body paragraph needs to reference only one topic and point combination. So there are two types of organizational methods. We've got the block method and we've got the point-by-point method. Now, the block method groups things by topic. So we will talk about topic 1, point A, in the first body paragraph. In the second body paragraph, we'll talk about topic 1, point B. In the third, we'll talk about topic 2, point A. And then we will talk about topic 2, point B in the fourth. When it comes to the point-by-point method, you want to develop things similarly. They're just grouped by point instead of grouped by topic. So you would say topic 1, point A in the first body paragraph. Second body paragraph would be topic 2, point A. Okay, so you notice the point A's are together in the first two body paragraphs instead of identifying the topic 1 in the first two, right? You're just doing topic 1, point A, topic 2, point A. Okay, that linkage is in the points, not the topics. All right, so then the third body paragraph, you guessed it, topic 1, point B, and then the fourth, topic 2, point B. Okay, again, grouping by point rather than topic. Now, if you notice, that makes 4 body paragraphs, an introduction and a conclusion, 6 paragraphs. The nice thing about this is that no matter what method you choose, you will always have 6 body paragraphs because you need to develop each topic and point combination well. Now, no matter which method you choose, you're going to use the same type of thesis statement. The thesis statement identifies which is topic 1, which is topic 2, which is point A, which is point B. So stick to that, right? Look at your thesis. If you need to use a highlight or something like that to be sure that you're staying consistent, do that, okay? But the biggest thing is making sure that each paragraph only interacts with the information that's supposed to be in that paragraph. This essay's main focus is organization. So it's, can you keep your ideas together? Can you keep these similar things in the same spot and not let them spill over into other places? That's really the big thing when it comes to this particular essay. Now, your introduction and your conclusion are going to be referencing things like similarities. You know, you're kind of identifying these topics that you're using and showing how they're similar, right? Because, I mean, goodness, we need to see that similarity. But the main thing in the body paragraphs is identifying those differences. And the way that you'll do that is because your point A and point B are both present in both topics. So that's the big thing here, is utilizing these differences to help highlight the similarity, right? Like, these things may be the same, but they do it in different ways. So that's the big thing that you want to pay attention to. You're always looking in a body paragraph for this kind of essay to the interaction between one topic and one point. No crossover, no spill. All right, so take a look at that sample essay so that you can see exactly what I mean when I say there shouldn't be any spillover. You can see that each of the body paragraphs are focused specifically on one particular topic and point combination. You'll notice that if in comments for drafts and things like that, or your outline, if you submit that, I might say, make sure that each point is through the lens of the one particular topic, right? Because that's the thing. It's linking those together and keeping those similar parts in the same space. So whether you choose either the block method or the point-by-point method, that is up to you. Some topics lend well to one over the other. I would say go with your gut because ultimately they both will work. It just depends on how you are using the information in your paragraph. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Do great things. I will see you in the next video.